And my name is John, and I'm
John?
from Turkey. Yeah.
Awesome. Nice to meet you. My name is Cassandra and I'm from Canada.
Oh, you're from Canada. Canada is my favorite country.
Really?
Really, yeah.
Why is it your favorite country?
You can find any person from any country in Canada, and
Yeah.
Canadian people looks really happy. That's why I
Oh,
love Canadian people.
well, thank you so much. That is completely true. In Canada,
You
there.
also look happy. Look.
Okay, but do you want to know a secret? I actually don't live in Canada.
Oh, okay.
I live in Spain
You live in Spain.
because
And
the weather
because
is nicer.
Are you an English teacher?
Yeah, I'm an English teacher.
That's
Well,
why you are in Spain.
yes, it's my opportunity to move. Yeah, I teach English here to children, like during the evenings, but you're right. Canada is a really, really great country. It's just a little bit too cold for me.
Yeah, it is too cold, and you love, I think, hot weathers. And if you can have any advantage to come to Turkey, I think it would be better. We have all
Yeah.
the climates. Yeah.
I've heard like really, really amazing things
Yeah.
about Turkey, especially Istanbul. I think it's really incredible how it's part of Europe and part of Asia. And hopefully, when the pandemic gets better, I'm able to visit because I really, really want to.
I live in Asian side in Istanbul.
Do
Yeah.
you? Oh,
Yeah.
that's super cool. Tell me more about it because I don't think I know much about the Asian side of Istanbul. I know
Oh.
more about the European side.
Yeah, actually, people go to European side whenever they wake up because because there are lots of job opportunities in European side, and Asian side are less crowded,
Mhm.
and it is livable. I prefer to live in Asian side because it's good and it's not so crowded. It is still crowded, but if you compare it with European side, and it is good because there are lots of shopping malls in European side,
Yeah.
which is not in Asian side.
Mhm.
And I am happy living in Asian side.
Yeah, and it's less
Yeah.
crowded. That's really awesome. Do you know what the population is of Istanbul? Because I heard that it was like very, very. There's a lot of
16 million. Yeah.
60. That's absolutely insane
Yeah.
to me because in
And-
Toronto, so I'm from Toronto. In Toronto, the actual city itself only has 4 million people in it, but the surrounding area, like 100 kilometers outside the city, which is still considered Toronto because lots of people commute, altogether 12 million. But it's like
Oh.
a huge. It's like 200 kilometers, right? It's
Mm.
not just a city like Istanbul. It's probably a lot smaller, like spatially. But yeah, so that's so many people. I can't believe it. Okay, so what do you do? Do you study or do you work?
Yeah, I am studying mechanical engineering and I am in my last year now.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
Yeah.
I wanted to go to school for mechanical engineering. I
Really?
didn't, but I
You
really
are a
wanted.
woman.
I know, but the story is that do you know what a prosthetic is? Like a fake limb? So
Yeah.
yeah. So I wanted to go to school for mechanical engineering, and learn how to be a mechanical engineer and then make prosthetics when I was
Yeah.
younger. But that changed. But mechanical engineering is very close in my heart. Like I love it. I think it's so cool.
You can still study. We have only 4 girls in our class.
It's-
Girls
yeah.
don't want to be a mechanical engineer. They prefer to be an industrial engineer.
Industrial engineer, even chemical engineers as well. Yeah, I was actually on the phone or on like a call last night with a girl from Brazil who just finished her mechanical engineering degree, and I was telling her the same thing, and she was like, "Come, we need girls in the program."
Yeah, we need girls. What do industrial engineers do? Do you know? They are interested in process. They love to manage.
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, definitely. I think it's less specific and it's a more general engineering. But I don't think I think it's still important, but I
Yeah.
think that the other ones are very more important.
It is still important. Don't compare
Well, I mean, without
us with them. Otherwise, they will be so mad at me.
Yeah, of course they would. It's okay. I can say it because I'm not an engineer, and I'll just they can get mad at me. Okay, cool. So you're in your last year, and how has studying been for you? Like, has it been good? Do you enjoy your program, or do you hate it?
Actually, I hate it because it was really a hard time, and we hadn't fun in my school life. I have seen lots of people from business management department and from other departments.
Mm-hmm.
They look so happy to us, and they were traveling, they were having parties, but we were studying.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. It's the exact same for me. So I studied something called kinesiology, which is a health science. And it's basically like a pre-medicine, so it's very heavy. And I had lots of friends who were in like media programs, and they had 10 hours of classes every week, which is nothing, right? Meanwhile, I had like 40 hours of classes plus homework. And so, yeah, I understand there was no time to enjoy myself whatsoever. And then when the summer comes, I would just go crazy. And then school starts back in September, and I'm like all serious again. But at least you're in your last year. So you will graduate this year?
Yes, I will graduate this year, hopefully.
Yeah.
I hope I will graduate this year. And what happened to your arm? I'm actually curious about your arm.
I broke my wrist about a month ago. It doesn't hurt. It's just really, the cast is really ugly because I work with kids, and it's like impossible to keep it clean because it's made out of fabric. So do you know what roller skating is?
Yeah, but you can use a puppet. You can just put on a puppet to your arm.
Well, yeah, like, I mean, I could put a plastic bag over it, but it's really annoying. It's really, really annoying.
Yeah, it is very annoying. But you work with children. It is also annoying.
Yeah. Well, yeah, exactly.
I wouldn't work with children.
It's good for like a couple of hours at a time, but like more than 3 or 4 hours, I want to kill them. It's fine.
It is good to talk with adults. Some teachers just tag their introduction. I just want to talk with adults. And I have seen lots of things.
Well, I mean, like, for me, that's why I like Cambly so much, is that I mean, I have my regular job of teaching kids, but I can come on here and still teach English because I love it, meet people from all over the world, and actually have conversations with adults that stimulate my adult brain, right? It's not like teaching kids like fruits in English or counting or whatever. So yeah, I like it a lot.